Yes.
It was a very restful day though, so that's good.
How you doing? Good.
Good.
We do audio recording, whole bands all at once. And this is the live room, it's called the live room, and then the recording's done in the next room where we're isolated. So a whole band can go through and virtually make an album in an evening. Quick.
Very nice. Did you introduce yourself?
Yeah, Brad Wilson, Thunderball Productions, or B-Rad Innovations.
Excellent.
Yeah, exactly.
So, your client, walk us through your clients and how you set up these two different rooms for.
So we have rehearsals in here. A lot of struggling bands that are trying to practice in their basement and stuff create a lot of noise for the community, and they're not appreciated. So we appreciate them here, and we let them come in and at a reasonable rate and play. All they have to do is show up with their instruments and the amplifiers, the drums, all the stuff's here to be able to play. And I can record them too after they get good enough and get their craft dialed in.
Do you like decide, like, you know, okay, I've been hearing you guys, like, you're good enough.
Yeah. Yeah, a lot of
You're
times they don't.
auditioning for me.
Yeah, a lot of times they don't think they're good enough.
Yeah.
But once they hear themselves, also they can get their craft and really dial themselves in.
Absolutely.
And then I actually have two rooms. There's this room, and then the room next door is a smaller rehearsal room for like a three-piece band, and we do recording in there too. So we have two different, or we could have a band rehearsing in here, recording in there. So we've got a lot of flexibility on to be able to record and rehearse at the same time.
Do you allow independent engineers to come in?
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, very flexible. Yeah. Yeah,
What was
it's a,
sorry, go ahead.
go ahead.
I was going to ask, what was the process of either retrofitting the room to your needs, or was there a process of there were a few rooms available and you could?
Well, this
retrofit
room
based
was
on-
like, I think it was the main control room. And it already had all the treatments and everything here and was really set up. The floor has about 2 feet of space underneath it, so I can lift up the 2x2 panels, run the cables and the wires all through. It's pretty impressive from compared to where I was previously.
Where were you?
I was down in South Park, warehouse, and it was okay, but it was nothing like what this is. This is
Who's
incredible.
in South Park right now?
I know,
everybody.
Yeah, it was sort of a war down there. It's, they keep driving cars into the buildings and taking things, and it's pretty rough down there. So, and I've been there for a long time. But
Is this changing the clientele? Like, are people finding
we
you?
just opened like a couple weeks ago,
Oh, okay.
so it's really new. This whole thing is new. And but boy, we put some videos out and stuff, and it's getting some real good traction. So.
I was going to ask how you market yourself, or it's word of mouth.
Well, and I have a really long list of clients that I have been. Parking's a little rougher down here compared to where I was, but they need the space. They need to show up. So, but a lot of them haven't showed up yet. But I have a video that I've shown them, and they're like, "Oh, I'm on my way."
Yeah, that was something I was going to ask. So, because I kind of, this building I've been in when it was KCTS for years.
Was this the main?
This was the main audio.
Okay.
This is one of the main audio places, if I remember right. I didn't do audio and video at the time, but I think Toby was in here a lot doing the mixing here. The back loading area, I forgot how many parking spots. Are those utilized by just you guys, or do you have to park like?
We've got to park elsewhere.
Huh?
We have to park elsewhere.
Elsewhere now.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's not
Okay.
available.
They're staging for Memorial Stadium.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah,
That-
a lot of
That's why the
activity.
studio's available.
There will be a lot of
Yeah,
activity.
got
Yeah.
it, got it. Okay, I was just curious.
Or defend for ourselves.
Yeah.
But across the street is load and unload, and after 3 o'clock, it's pretty much open
Right.
for us to be able to park over there. And there is, we've made a list of all the free parking that's in the area.
Yeah, I bet you did.
Oh, well, hey, I can use that list.
Yeah,
Yeah. You should sell it.
yeah, yeah, and it's rated like 1 through 5 on whether you're loaded or not, so it's really good. And that's, Hazy Bay's done that. And Hazy Bay and myself we're in the same building in different locations. So we're really happy to be able to find this place and
Oh,
both
okay.
move in at the same
That's
time.
what I thought the South Park connection. I
Yeah.
figured you knew who they were.
Yeah,
That's cool.
yeah. And we help each other and share equipment and whatever we need. And sometimes they're booked and they throw it down to me, and so.
And you strictly do bands, is that correct?
Pretty much.
Yep.
Yeah, and also we set up the video in here for them. So we'll record the audio and take video at the same time, so they'll be able to make a video, because I mean, almost everything is visual.
Yeah.
You know, so we do a lot of that.
Who's your favorite local band that comes to the studio?
Oh, man. Well, at the top, well, Nurse Ratchet and Kalimba is pretty incredible. There's some, and the talent that Seattle has is incredible. It's just amazing. And you see these guys come in and they're a little bit shy, and then all of a sudden they'll just blossom and take off. And if they know nobody's listening and watching, they can really
Yeah.
hone in their craft.
Yeah. That's true.
You want us to take a look at the next room?
Sure.
Yeah, let's do it. Thanks so much.
Thanks, man.
Thank you.
And my business card's there.
Right.
Yeah.
And I do voiceovers too.
Yeah, we can hear that.
Kind of sound
Yeah,
like.
exactly.
Yeah.
I think about that, so I texted Ryan, like,
So you-
well, if I would have something to.
From Seattle?
Day sunset.
Remember
Maybe
Ironwood
next
Studio?
year, we can combine those and
Paul
be together.
Scholes over there in Val.
I did not think I realized I thought that. Started the Gina Davis book. And,
Our host left. We lost the host.
Yeah.
Oh, I must have, maybe I was talking to Terry or something. Yeah.
Yeah.
We lost our host.
Oh, okay. They'll come back. Oh, he's over there. Okay.
Oh, they're showing the next part of the room.
Oh,
they're
too far.
Yeah.
Jam out while we're waiting.
we could,
But with all of these windows and stuff, I mean, I could make this into a police station like that. Sheriffation room, yeah.
Location,
Once a
No,
location
it's
manager.
always location manager,
No,
right?
it won't go away. I don't want
See, I'm thinking office spaces,
Yeah.
production office, you're thinking locations. Yeah.
Yep. I really wanted to use atomic space for Star Trek.
Yeah, it's locked. I think it's
No,
locked.
yeah, exactly. I'll knock on the window here.
Well, the thing is, we got a minute, 45-second video to
Oh,
watch
yeah,
down the way.
that's true. Good point, Charlie. We here?
Catty corner down, back to the.
Well, that's why I asked you about parking.